In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this 3D text effect using Illustrator. We're going to be using it for our yearbook, so we're going to create a new document, make it 8.5 by 11 inches, make the bleed 0.0125 all the way around, and open up advanced options and make sure it says RGB and high 300 ppi. You can just name this yearbook titles and press create. Then we have our letter size document. Now we're going to change the preferences. So go to preferences. On my computer, it's in a different spot. On Windows, it's at the bottom of the edit menu, but on mine, it's in a different spot. But if you press Control K, you'll still be able to open it. So open preferences, Control K, go to units, and make sure it says inches. Okay, units, inches, Control K. And then press OK. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is type the name of the page that we're working on. The one I'm going to type is cross country. After you type it, get the selection tool and then drag it by the corner while holding the shift key to enlarge it. Make sure you're holding the shift key so you're not warping the text. And then you can go into the character panel and change the font, or you can go to Window, Properties if you already have that open. That also has a character editor. And we want to change the font. So change the font to Monsterrat. I'll give you this guys a link to this font. We'll be downloading it. So choose Monsterrat Black. Black is the really heavy, bold one. Super bold. There we go. All right, so we have Monsterrat Black, and the point size is about 50, somewhere around there, as long as it fills up most of the width on your page. Then go to Type, Create Outlines. That makes it non-editable text, and just becomes a vector graphic. Then go to Effect, 3D, Rotate, and just leave it on the default settings, which should be off-axis front. And these numbers should remain the same. It probably will come that way defaulted. Say OK. And then the next thing you need to do is to give it a white stroke. So make your text black with a 1-point white stroke. Then go to Effect menu at the top and choose Distort and Transform, and then choose Transform. And then on this one, you go down to where it says Move. Oh wait, leave the copies, put the copies on 10, and make sure Preview is checked. And now go to Move and put the horizontal and vertical, put the on negative 0.04 and negative 0.03 inches. So match what I have and say OK. And we have our text effects done. Then you go to Object, Expand Appearance. And now you're ready to save it. So File, Save. And just save it as an Illustrator file so you can use it for something else. And say OK. And then we need to do File, Export As. And this time we're going to choose PNG instead of JPEG. So export PNG and say OK, and then when this window comes up, choose 300 and make sure the background color says transparent, and that's it.